This is Neetu Srivastav and once again welcome you all in e-learning class. Today I am here with your English 1 book, lesson number 4, The Story of a Tree. But before that children, I hope you all are well and fine and doing your work on time and watching each and every video which are uploaded on YouTube related to your lesson time to time. So let's open page number 49, The Story of a Tree. Before starting reading and explanation of this lesson, children, I would like to give you a small summary, and this summary helps you a lot to understand this lesson very easily. I am going to show you many slides one by one, and through slide I will explain you the story in short. This is a story about a mango tree which seeds tell us that what things it needs to grow seed into a plant. So let's see that what is the summary through slides. So open page number 49 in English 1 book. Here you see different types of pictures of trees. One of them is mango tree. Next page, page number 50, you see that mango seeds look very happy because it knows very well that one day it becomes into a plant. Next slide you see on page number 15. Here you see the mango seed looks very happy after seeing the heavy clouds in the sky. And it knows very well that this clouds helps through the rain. One day it becomes into a plant. Now go to the next page. On page number 51, you see that there are two pictures. Picture 3, it shows that mango seeds look very happy but roots are coming out. 4 pictures says that sun is saying that you are my friend. Now go to the next page, page number 52. Here you see that there is a girl and see girls look very happy after seeing the mango plant, and she is telling that she will keep this plant in her house. So let's see the reading and explanation of this lesson. Lesson number 4, the story of a tree. Let's see, open page number 49. So children, take out to page number 49 and lesson number 4, the story of a tree. Children, in this part you see that on the page number 49 many different types of pictures of trees have given, and each picture is telling about the types of tree. See, first picture, it is a picture of a papaya tree. Second picture, it is a picture of guava tree, then coconut tree, then mango tree, orange tree, cherry tree. So children, in this lesson you will study about a kind of tree, and it is mango tree. So children, as I already told you about the summary of this lesson, that in this lesson you will study about mango tree and how the mango seed tell you that how mango seed become into a plant. So just open page number 50. Now page number 50, you see upside first picture, and it is telling that this is mango seed, and this seed is telling about itself that, oh, I am a tiny mango plant, I want to get out. When will that happen? So children, I am going to start reading with explanation with the first paragraph. Read and enjoy. And children, please hold one pencil, and wherever I will tell you, underline the difficult words. I am a very tiny plant. Tiny means very small. So this mango seed is talking about itself that it is a very tiny plant. This is my story. This mango is telling that this is my story. Come be a part of my story. I live inside a mango seed. This mango plant is telling you, that this seed live inside a mango plant. Okay, I am tired of living here for a long time, and this mango seed wants to get out from the soil, and it is telling that when will that happen. Now next paragraph. I sleep most of the time. Sometimes I open my eyes and look around. Around means whatever environment around you, means your all the sides. This is called around. So then I go back to sleep again one day. Now this downside picture number 2 on page number 50, you see that this mango seed looks very happy because suddenly, because it was sleeping from a longer time, and as he opened the eye, the mango seed saw, wow, there are clouds in the sky. It is raining. When raindrops fall on me, I just love it. See this mango seed? This mango seed is very happy to see these clouds. And it is telling, wow, there are clouds in the sky. It is raining. When raindrops means the drop of rain fall on me, I just love it. After a time, soon the clouds go away and the sun is out in the sky. Now, this mango seed is telling that after a while, means after some time, the clouds go away and the sun is out in the sky. Now, go to the page number 51. On page number 51, you see two pictures are there. This is picture number 3. In this picture, see the mango seed is very happy because sunlight has come. The sunlight, rain, air, and soil help me grow up. Soil means you can say inside the earth, whatever part is called, this is soil. Okay. Then rain, you know, rain, sunlight, the light comes from the sun, air. So these are the things which mango seed is telling that these things help me to come to get out from the seed and become into a plant. So see, the sunlight, rain and air and soil help me grow up. Come on and get out of the seed, you are sweet tiny plant. This sun is telling to mango seed that now I have come in the sky. Now mango seed, you become happy, should become happy and come out from the seed. Oh yes, now it replies to sun, oh yes, you and rain are my good friends. I have some root now. Now this mango seed is telling that you and the rain are my good friends. So I'm just coming out slowly, slowly. Now this mango seed is very happy. Now in this picture you see the seed has many branches, many roots are coming out, not branches, this is root. I have also some green leaves and they keep growing every day. After a few weeks, I meet a friend. Now see children on picture number 4 that this seed has downside many roots and upside you see that leaves has many leaves have come. Now I have come out of the seed and soil. I can see the things around. Oh, I have also some leaves. I like to dance in this cool breeze. Breeze means sweet wind, you can say. Now this mango seeds look very, very happy. Now go to the next page. Now page number 52, you see that there is one girl and this mango plant is telling, a girl waters me every day, means daily, so that I grow up, means grow up day by day, increasing in size fast. The girl plays near me. She comes with her friends also. This girl is telling, oh, what a beautiful plant you are. Beautiful means very cute. I will take care of you. This girl is telling to this plant that very beautiful plant you are. I will take care of it. Now downside you see next picture. In this picture you see that under the mango tree sat many boys, many children, monkeys on the branches of the mango tree. Birds are flying around the tree. So years have passed and now I am 5 years old. Now mango tree is telling here after 5 years, now this plant before 5 years it was look like this and after 5 years this plant look like this. So I am very big. Big mangoes grow on me. Some birds have made nest and live there. Mango tree is telling that you see many mangoes have come out, have on the branch, and birds are making their nest on me. Some monkeys also visit. Visit means go somewhere for a long time, for a time, and eat mangoes. Children come and play in my shed. They also like to eat the mangoes. I have happy life. So children, after seeing the reading and explanation of this lesson, I think you have understood that this is the story about a mango seed who's telling that how this mango seed becomes into a plant. So children, if you have any confusion regarding this lesson, you will watch this video again and again, and I hope while you are seeing this video 2-3 times, you will understand this lesson very well. So children, thanks for watching English 1 video part 1 lesson number 4, the story of a tree, and I hope after watching this video you will understand it nicely. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.